Hello, my friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you this amazing journal I prepared for a friend who has this wild spirit. So, let's enjoy this adventure inside this journal I made for her. In the first page, I included a nice label, a tag that says make today perfect, and then a little cactus. And here we have a tent. Everything is like I wanted to match the orange and the red with the light green we have there and the yellow. And here I place in this corner a butterfly with a bunch of threads that gives the sense of freedom, the sense of random, like the butterfly's wings and the butterfly flight. And here I have a little hippies and then a backpack and some Converse. So we are ready to leave the adventure. And of course, a nice caravan so we can go and make the world and hold adventure. In here I have this envelope she can use to place some ephemeras, something she wants to remember. And in here I have a USA map and the word try it. Life is a highway, and I love that fact that life is a highway. And my friend is very adventurous and really nice, and she loves to be outside. That's why I choose this theme for her. Here we have like a little barn, like a little house into the woods, so a nice place to go and take a walk. Or just here I have another little booklet so she can even write music or write some thoughts of some quotes she likes. And then I say joy, love, and peace. That's a label I got like around Christmas or something, so I had it in my stash and I love it. Here I just wanted to include a flap where she can write her memories. He has two children, she has two kids, so she can probably have, and she will have, a lot of memories and pictures she can place in this amazing journal about the places they go out and the moments they share together. Here in this page, I really love this page. Probably is my favorite one because of the bird and also this little key that I place here in the middle of the journal. I used the little threads that are holding together all the pages to hang this dangle here. And also a giraffe. I love this animal especially because of the orange and that little kind of a flower butterfly that I crocheted a long time ago. This page here is actually another one of my favorite, especially because of this message, he who wants a rose must respect the thorn. And I completely made this from the beginning using a jar and a little stickers with a rose. That came from a tea bag, so I really love the message. This is another beautiful thank you page, and that's another one that she can use to write a lot and to journal. Here we have these obviously moreover blessed amazing messages and words. I was actually practicing this handwriting here, so I decided to include that tag over there. This is a beautiful one that also she can use for journaling. I add some flashcards here because it's always good to have enough space to write our thoughts or quotes or our activities, anything we want to remember and to keep it forever in our journals. Here, as this journal is about staying well, I had this tortoise over there and also something about little touch of magic with this little fairy over here that says flowers are magic, because you know that I'm a botanist and I love flowers. And then on the opposite page I have this beautiful house that is like a foldable pop-out something. I love it because of the heart in the center, and so I place over here a card with a positive affirmation, and I hope she's gonna like it because she's really into adventure and staying wild. So it says I'm adventurous, I'm I am overcome fears by following my dreams. Isn't that a beautiful message? Let me know in the comments below if you like this type of journal. They're strongly adapted to the character on the emotions of the person I'm going to give them. I use them as presents on birthdays, for teacher appreciation days, anything when the opportunity is suitable for that. I use journals to please my friends and so to make them dream and to get them into the world of creativity. At the end, I just punch a hole in here in this upper part of the journal, just in the middle part where the signature is attached to, and I hang this little angel that means a lot to me because it's an angel in my color. My favorite color is green, and it matches with the butterfly and the ribbon in the bottom part of the table and in on the table, and also the little bell there and the sign that says made with love. I think this journal is so perfect and so different. I was like thinking about doing this video since a long time ago, but sometimes I don't have too much time. But anyway, I love that you're here. Thank you for stay till the end of this video, and remember, subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment below. Also, you can give me thumbs up and come back to my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.